Hey friends, welcome back to NextTech Digest. Today we're going to go over 5 ways that you can earn money with AI in 2025. The best part is, these are all things that you can get started today with little to no upfront investment required. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or you're trying to build a full-time business, these methods will help you do so in less than 10 minutes. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share an AI tool that can actually get you paid up to $1,000 per month. So let's get straight into it. No one. Freelance content creation with ChatGPT and Canva. This is one of the most accessible ways to earn money with AI. It's because essentially anyone can do it. With ChatGPT, you can leverage its powerful language generation capabilities to write blog posts, social media posts, or even scripts for videos at the push of a button. You can use the platform's easy-to-use interface to choose from a variety of templates and prompts to get your content. Creation process started quickly, but what really sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to understand complex topics and break them down into digestible pieces of content for your audience. You can leverage this by inputting broad topics into the tool, which will then generate multiple articles or posts, ready for you to edit and publish. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you overcome writer's block, refine your writing style, and even save time by generating images based on your descriptions. Combine this with the design capabilities of Canvas, another user-friendly platform that allows you to create professional-looking graphics and marketing materials without any design experience. And you have a winning combination for creating high-quality content that can attract a large audience and generate revenue. To get started, sign up for both platforms and explore their free plans. You can also check out our previous tutorial on how to use ChatGPT step-by-step. Next, a method you can start today with zero investment. It's my own personal favorite. Continue watching. Number 2, voiceover services with 11 Labs. If you have a knack for accents, languages, or just enjoy mimicking voices, this could be the perfect way to make passive income for you. Imagine earning dollars by simply recording yourself talking once and then having that same voice represent you over and over again. That's exactly what you can do with 11 Labs, an AI-powered voice cloning tool. In less than 10 minutes, you can clone your voice and start selling voiceover services on freelance platforms like Fiverr. Whether you want to create realistic voiceovers for ads, audiobooks, or YouTube videos, 11 Labs has got you covered. Plus, the possibilities are endless, as you can use your cloned voice to create content across various platforms and even in different industries. Not only does this save you time and effort, but it also ensures consistency in your voiceovers, giving your clients a polished, professional sound. Number 3, AI-powered e-commerce product mockups with Midjourney. This method requires a bit more technical knowledge, but it can be a great option for those who are interested in graphic design or e-commerce. If you've ever tried selling digital products online, you know that having high-quality images of your product is crucial for attracting customers. This is where AI-powered mockup generators come in handy. They can help you design realistic images of your product in minutes, without the need for a professional photo shoot. Using Midjourney, you can generate images based on your descriptions and use them to create professional-looking marketing assets for your store. This can be a great way to differentiate yourself from competitors, especially if you're selling digital products like fonts, graphics, or website templates. All you have to do is describe your product, and Midjourney will generate multiple mockups for you to choose from. Then you can download the image and use it on your product page or in your marketing materials. No. 4. YouTube automation with AI scripts and Pictory. Now, for those who don't know, I run 2 self-hosted YouTube channels. One is called Self-Hosted Pro, where I talk about web hosting. And the other channel is NextTech, where I talk about AI and technology. And today, I am going to show you the AI tools that I am using to automate these channels. For instance, I recently asked ChatGPT to generate a script for a video about making money with AI, and it spit me out over 5,000 words of content that I could use for multiple videos. Then I took that script and went to Pictory. This is an AI tool that takes your script and generates a video with a voiceover, stock footage, and text. After uploading the generated video to my channel, I was able to rank on the first page of search results within a few hours. And if you want to learn more about how to use Picture, check out our detailed review. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, consider using these tools to streamline the process. Even if you don't want to put your face on camera, you can still create informative and engaging videos using AI-generated scripts and content. And last but not least, 5 AI presentation and pitch deck services with Tome app. This might be my favorite way to make money with AI, because you can charge premium prices for your services while spending very little time actually working. For example, you could offer presentation design services to startups and small businesses using Tome app. With this AI tool, you can easily create professional-looking pitch decks and presentations in minutes. By simply providing some basic information about the company and the purpose of the deck, just imagine being able to generate hundreds of designs in minutes and then charging a few $100s for each one. The possibilities are really endless here. You could also offer AI-generated graphic design services for social media posts or marketing materials. Or maybe you could even offer AI-generated video services for YouTube or TikTok. The opportunities are abundant and the sky's the limit. So if you're rethinking about starting a side hustle or you're looking to monetize your creative skills, consider using Tome app or any of the other methods we mentioned today. So which method are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching this episode of NextTech Digest. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, so that way you won't miss any of our new episodes. And if you're looking for more ways to make money with AI, check out our previous videos on how to make money with ChatGPT. See you in the next one. Okay, so you want to write viral posts but have no idea where to start or how to save time doing it? Well, that's why you clicked on this video. So watch this, because I'm about to share with you my secret weapon. This saves me hours of work every single week, and it's going to save you hours too. Okay, so let's dive right in. Welcome back to NextTech Digest. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we talk about the latest AI tools, tech news, tips, and tricks. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I release new videos every single week. Alright, so let's get into today's video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing tool that will help you write viral posts in seconds. Whether you're retrying to create content for social media like Instagram or LinkedIn, or if you're retrying to write articles and blog posts, this tool will make your life a lot easier and help you create content way faster than you ever could before. So keep watching because I'm about to show you exactly what this is and how you can use it. So the first thing you need to do is go to Copy AI EHS, completely free to sign up. And all you need to do is click the link down below in the description and it will take you directly to the website. Once you're on the website, you need to create an account. And to create an account, all you need to do is enter your email address, create a password, and then click Sign Up. Once you sign up, you'll then be taken to this page where you'll see a ton of different templates. But don't worry, you do and need to scroll through these, because I'm gonna show you guys exactly which one you need to pick. Once you're here, you want to select one of 3 options. You can write for Instagram, you can write for LinkedIn, or you can write for a blog. I'm going to be demonstrating using the Instagram option, but feel free to choose whatever option works best for you. So once you select your platform, you're then going to type in your topic or your idea. For example, let's say that I want to write a post about quitting my job. So I'm going to type in quitting my job. After you type in your topic or idea, you're then going to click generate. And then what happens is literally magic. AI is going to write a post for you in a matter of seconds. And you can see here that it wrote quite a long post already. But you can see here that there are some more options. So for example, I can shorten the post, or I can make it longer. I can also add emojis if I want to. But this is already a really good post, and it only took a few seconds for AI to write. I think it did a pretty good job. And the awesome thing is, you can actually click generate again, and it'll generate another post for you based off of your topic. So this is great if you're feeling a little bit stuck and you need some inspiration. Maybe you're not sure what to write about or what to include in your post. Well, just use this tool and it'll generate a few ideas for you, and maybe it'll spark something in your mind that you can then run with and turn into a full post. Another great thing about this tool is that if you're creating a post for LinkedIn, it'll automatically include hashtags. It's like, look here, it included a bunch of hashtags at the end of the post. Or if you're writing a post for Instagram, it'll automatically include emojis. Look here, there are tons of emojis throughout the post. And this makes sense because if you're posting on Instagram, people are going to expect to see emojis. But if you're posting on LinkedIn, people are going to expect to see hashtags. And you can also change the tone of your post if you want to. So for example, if you want your post to be more professional, you can select the professional tone. Or if you want it to be more casual, you can select the casual tone. And once AI writes your post, it's going to come out exactly the way you want it to. And you can also name drop in your own text into the AI-generated text. So for example, let's say that I want to include a personal story in my post. Well, all I need to do is highlight the text here and then paste in my own story, and it'll seamlessly integrate it into the AI-generated post. And I think that is really cool because sometimes you might have a great outline or a great structure for your post, but you might be missing the actual content or the words to fill it out with. Well, with this tool, you can simply highlight the areas where you want to add your own text and then paste it in, and it LL adjusts the AI-generated post so that your text fits right in. And I think that's really, really cool. And if you want to take things a step further, you can also add images to your post. All you need to do is click this button here that says Add Media. And then you can upload an image from your computer, or you can simply select an image from Unsplash. And Unsplash is a free stock photo website, so you can select any image you want from Unsplash and add it to your post. Now, if you're writing a post for LinkedIn, I recommend uploading your own image because LinkedIn is a professional networking site. So you want your post to look professional, and adding your own image will help you achieve that. But if you're writing a post for Instagram, it's totally fine to use an image from Unsplash because Instagram is a more casual app. So using an image from Unsplash is totally fine. And then once you add your image, you can either place it at the top of your post or you can place it at the bottom. And then finally, once you've made all your edits and you're happy with your post, you can then click copy, and then you can go over to your social media platform of choice and paste in your post. And that's literally it. That's how easy it is to write a post using this tool. Now, obviously, you don't need to use this tool to write every single post. Only use it when you're feeling stuck or when you do and have time to write a post from scratch. Because it's important to remember that while AI can help you write posts, it's still important to put your own spin on things. AI can't replicate your unique voice and perspective, so don't use AI to write every single post. Only use it when you need help. All right, so I just showed you how to write posts using this tool. But there's so many other ways you can use this tool to help you with your content creation. For example, if you want to write an entire article, well, this tool will help you do that. All you need to do is click this button here that says Use our long-form editor, and you can write an entire article or blog post using this tool. And then if you want help coming up with titles for your posts, well, this tool has a title generator built in. It's cool. All you need to do is click this button here that says Generate Titles, and then it'll generate a bunch of titles for you that you can then choose from. And if you want help with your captions, well, this tool has that too. All you need to do is click this button here that says Generate Captions, and then it LL generates a bunch of captions for you that you can then choose from. So this tool really does have everything you need to help you with your content creation. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you found it helpful. And if you did, please make sure to leave a like down below. It helps me out a lot. And let me know down in the comments below what you thought of this video and what tool you want to see me cover next. Also, if you want to see more AI content hacks, make sure to follow so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest AI news and tech news, make sure to follow as well. And finally, if you want to learn more about AI, check out this playlist right here, where I cover some of the most important things you need to know about AI, and also some of the dangers of AI. And I'll see you in the next video.